Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my first official Boxycharm unboxing. So if you want to see what Boxycharm sent out for the month of April, then keep on watching. Okay, so if you haven't seen Boxycharm yet, they send it out to you in this cute little box, and you usually get 4 to 5 full-size products. So they send you this little pamphlet that gives you information on the products that you're receiving this month, and I thought I would show them off as well as try them on for a little demo. So first up, I'm not gonna demo this today, is the Dr. Brandt's vacuum cleaner, part of the Pores No More line. I did try this out last night so I could give you my thoughts on it today, and I'm not really sure how I feel about it. So when you first open it up, I don't even know if I want to smell it. It smells fucking terrible. It smells like 90s hair perm. It's fucking horrible. It's so bad. And it's really weird. So like it comes out this clear color, and then you like spread it around your face. I don't know if you can see it, but then it like turns this blue color. That's not a really good example. There's like these little beads in it that make it blue, and it dries down super tight. Like you cannot move your face, and I don't think I could buy this for the smell alone. Okay, so let me read a little bit about it. It says, this award-winning pore refining mask is an extraction specialist, unclogging and tightening the look of pores and reducing excess oil from the skin's surface. So it has really awesome claims. I will say that I think it did do the job. I just don't know if I can get over the smell. Once it dries down, it doesn't smell as, my fingers are burning from putting that on my fingers. Once it dries down, it doesn't smell as terrible, but it is not good. But I think it works, so if you can get past the smell, I think this is a great value. It's $42 on Sephora.com, and this whole box is $20, so right there you're getting your bang for your buck. Starbucks is essential to life. Caramel macchiato, basic as. Next up, we are going to talk about the Brow Gal. This is a brow gel. I did my brows already, but because I knew this was gonna be too light, this is the color I got. You can see that. It looks super light, but we are going to kind of just go in and see what happens. Oh yeah. I mean, I guess if I want to tint my brows a shade lighter. Like, I don't know, I feel like nothing's coming off. Oh, I guess so. Try to get some on my hand here. That is the color of it. So that's like, if you hear those loud noises outside, I am currently dropping 10K on 2 new ACs. Not fun. Okay, this color is way too light for me. But if you have lighter hair, blonde, maybe even light brown, maybe this product will work for you, but not for me. Next up was the product I was most excited about. ColourPop is such an affordable brand, but their products are just really, really good quality. So they were sending, I think there were 5 or 6 different palettes that you could potentially get in your Boxycharm, and I got the one called the Element of Surprise. I'm actually excited about this. Some colors are right in my wheelhouse, some colors maybe not so much, but that's cool because I will venture outside of my comfort zone. They're really, really pretty. And the pigment of these, you guys, like I was so shocked. Like this pink one, I can't even. It's like metallic. It's so freaking pretty. I don't know what kind of look I'm gonna wanna do. All right, that is, don't mind the brow gel over there, but that is one pass. Obviously there's swatches, so I don't really know how they will perform on the eyes, but so far, I'm like super impressed. Okay. I guess I'm just gonna go in and kind of figure it out. So for starters, I'm going to take the shade Labyrinth. Oh my God, I love how the names are on the back. So if you're doing tutorials or showing it off, you can literally just read them right off the back. That's fantastic. So I'm gonna go in with the shade Labyrinth. So for this lighter color, you really have to, I feel like, dig in a little bit to get the color payoff, but that's okay, because we'll build it up. Okay, next up, just to kind of deepen that crease, I'm gonna go in with the shade Go With The Flow. It's kind of like a tan with like warmer undertones, I don't know. I feel like I'm leaning towards going to like a boring, like natural eye. But I guess, I don't know. Should I do something different? Should I do something different?
Where's the colors?
Oh, the shade Opulent. Don't mind my ratchet nails. This like purpley lavender shift with some shimmer. I'm going to the mall after this, so this is gonna look great. All right, and I'm just gonna use my fingers and pack that onto the lid. Okay, so what my thoughts on this palette are, it's super pigmented. The colors fool you. They look a little bit more muted. Like I feel like I used that hot pink shade on my eye and I didn't. They're super pigmented. They blend really nicely. This, I think, is $16 on ColourPop.com. The second product I was most excited to try was the Tarte Pro Glow Liquid Highlighter. So I don't want to say a fan of liquid highlighters, I just don't gravitate towards them as much. Let me read a little bit about it. It says, glow like a goddess with this creamy highlighter that builds from sheer to intense. Ultra concentrated pigments of pearls are suspended in the hybrid gel cream, oil-free formula that you can mix with your liquid foundation. Oh crap. I already have foundation on, but I will try mixing it in next time. Comes in a squeezy tube like this. This is in the shade Stunner. I don't know why I said it like that. Oh. Okay, so maybe I can blend it out. Is it blending out? Okay. It is really shiny. I feel like it looks a little glittery. I don't know, it's hard to see. I'd be interested on seeing how it mixes with your foundation. Yeah, I'll have to try that and let you guys know how it goes. Okay, so last thing, I don't know what I'm doing with my life. Last thing in the box, so Boxycharm was either gonna send you a set of 3 brushes, a MAC lipstick, or a Desi lipstick. Not gonna lie, I was really hoping for the MAC lipstick. Honestly, the brushes, I'm a brush person. But we are going to try this out. This is in the shade, no shade, no name, no fucking name, no name. So it goes on really easily. It's definitely one swipe pigment. Like I literally just got all that coverage in one swipe. And I have not dipped back. I look fucking crazy. So I had to get that lip color off my lips. It just wasn't doing it for me. So out of the box, that would probably be my least favorite product, but this month they still really gave you some awesome items. I mean, for $20, you can't beat it. So 3 out of 5 were a hit for me. The palette is awesome. It has some colors that are kind of out of my comfort zone, but I like it. I mean, I don't think it's gonna be something that I'm gonna reach for every day, but if I'm trying to do a festive look, this is great to have in your collection. And it's cute, small, compact, you can travel with it. The liquid highlighter, I think, looks really good. I mean, it's blinding, that is for sure. I'm excited to try it mixed in with my foundation and see how that goes. And then the Pore Vacuum Cleaner, if you can get over the smell, I think this is a really good product to have on hand if you're just feeling really clogged up and you want to get that congestion out. You can use it 1 to 2 times a week to really give your skin just an overall healthier look. So with that said, that's it for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. I will hopefully be doing more Boxycharm unboxings on my channel. So do me a favor, if you liked it, hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to click the subscribe button down below. Click it, like it, love it, watch it, follow me on my journey, and I will see you next time.